Is your engine losing power, smoking, or knocking? It could be your piston, and catching it early can save your engine. The piston moves up and down in the cylinder, creating compression. It's the heart of your jet ski or snowmobile engine. If it fails, nothing works. Here's how to spot a piston going bad. 1. Loss of power. Your engine feels weaker than usual. 2. Excessive smoke, blue or gray smoke, means oil getting past piston rings. 3. Engine knock or rattle. Loose or broken piston makes internal knocking sound. 4. High oil consumption, burning oil due to worn piston rings. 5. Metal and oil. Shiny flakes in oil means piston damage or skirt wear. If you've opened the engine, look for scuff marks on the piston skirt, cracks or chipped crown edges, worn or stuck piston rings. A bad piston can damage the cylinder wall, crankshaft, and more. Don't wait. If you suspect a piston issue, replace it. Need high-quality pistons? We supply durable, tested parts for major models. www.sinerasnowmobile.com. Contact us for specs or bulk orders.